Welcome to the virtual tutor series on core mathematics for senior high schools. In this lesson, we cover simplification of algebraic fractions. For a better appreciation of this lesson, I highly recommend that you watch our previous lessons on algebraic expressions if you haven't done so yet. As you do always, kindly take your book and pen as you follow along. We will focus on addition and subtraction of algebraic fractions in this episode and cover multiplication and division of algebraic fractions in our next episode. We can add and/or subtract algebraic fractions by finding the lowest common multiple or LCM of the denominators, expressing all fractions in terms of the LCM, and simplifying the denominators. For a concrete understanding, let's consider the following examples. Simplify the following expressions. Solution. Example 1. 2 over q minus 3 minus 3 over q plus 2. The first step is to find the lowest common multiple or LCM of the denominators. The LCM of two or more numbers is the smallest number, which is a multiple of all the numbers. In this case, we can find the LCM of the denominators by expressing their product. In the expression, the numerators are the top part of the fractions, and the denominators are the bottom part of the fractions. Thus, the LCM of the denominators is q minus 3 times q plus 2. The second step is to express all fractions in terms of the LCM. For the first fraction, q minus 3 into the LCM produces q plus 2. So we have 2 into bracket q plus 2 bracket closed. For the second fraction, q plus 2 into the LCM results in q minus 3. So we have minus 3 into bracket q minus 3 bracket closed. The third step is to simplify the numerators. To do this, let's first remove the brackets by distributing 2 over q plus 2 and negative 3 over q minus 3. 2 times q is 2q, and 2 times 2 is 4. So the first bit of the numerators expands into 2q plus 4. Negative 3 times q is negative 3q, and negative 3 times negative 3 is 9. So the second bit of the numerators expands into negative 3q plus 9 all over q minus 3 times q plus 2. Let's now add or subtract like terms. So we have 2q minus 3q to be negative q, and 4 plus 9 to be 13, all over q minus 3 times q plus 2. Example 2. A minus b all over 3 plus 3x over 2. Step 1 says we should find the LCM of the denominators. The LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. Step 2 says we should express all fractions in terms of the LCM. 3 into 6 is 2, giving us 2 into bracket a minus b, bracket closed. 2 into 6 is 3, and 3 times 3a is 9a. Step 3 says we should simplify the numerators. We do this by first expanding 2 into bracket a minus b, bracket closed. Two times a is 2a, and 2 times negative b is negative 2b. So that expands into 2a minus 2b, and then 9a, all over 6. Adding or subtracting like terms, we have 2a plus 9a to be 11a minus 2b, all over 6. Example 3. 5x over x plus 1 plus 2x over x squared minus 1 minus 7 over x minus 1. X squared minus 1 is a difference of two squares and has the factors x plus 1 and x minus 1. Therefore, the LCM of the denominators is x squared minus 1. To learn more about difference of two squares, watch our video lessons on expansion and factorization of difference of two squares. Now, let's express all fractions in terms of the LCM. Since the product of x plus 1 and x minus 1 is x squared minus 1, it implies that x squared minus 1 divided by x plus 1 is x minus 1. So we have 5x into bracket x minus 1, bracket closed. Again, x squared minus 1 into x squared minus 1 is 1, and 1 times 2x is 2x. Finally, x squared minus 1 divided by x minus 1 is x plus 1. So we have minus 7 into bracket x plus 1, bracket closed. Removing brackets, we have 5x times x to be 5x squared, and 5x times negative 1 to be negative 5x. So that gives us 5x squared minus 5x plus 2x. Negative 7 times x is negative 7x, and negative 7 times 1 is negative 7. Therefore, the last bit of the numerators produces minus 7x minus 7 all over x squared minus 1. At this point, we add or subtract like terms. We have 5x as a lone term. Negative 5x plus 2x minus 7x is negative 10x, and the lone term negative 7 all over x squared minus 1. Bravo! We have come to the end of today's lesson. In our next lesson, we will cover multiplication and division of algebraic fractions. Kindly like and share this video, and also subscribe to the TVTL's YouTube channel in order to receive notification on future videos. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video lessons.